The dawn of industrial era has harmed nature and its resources that has been randomly exploited for many decades without restoring the earth to its natural state. Nature has been exploited in order to meet the demands for material needs of the people and to make money. These actions are said to be the major reasons for worsening of environmental pollution. It has affected both air and water. Developmental work must be carried out without excessive exploitation. The UN Center for Human Settlements has underlined the urgent need to protect the environment so that the next generation could inherit a livable world. The climate change that has been taking place over the past few years has been marked by an extreme heat wave, forest fires in the United States and recently in Amazon rainforest. It was reported in the Statesman on 25th August 2022 that the scientists have stated the dramatic scale for this year's fire in Amazon is the result of significant acceleration of deforestation for the lumber industry, for agriculture, or for other human activities. This only highlights the reality that the society's exploitation of nature to meet its physical needs continues even today. As a result, natural calamities are occurring more frequently. Such disasters are rooted in climatical change. Scientists have urged the world community to take immediate steps to mitigate the climatical change. Otherwise, there may be worse disasters in the days to come, endangering cities and civilizations from the face of the earth. Human beings are responsible for the deterioration and exploitation of nature and the world's resources. It is affluent Western countries that are responsible for such exploitation to facilitate luxurious living conditions. The natural and mineral resources thus destroyed has never been replaced. The UN Conference on Environmental Health about 7 decades ago drew an attention of world community to safeguarding the environment and the close relationship between human settlements and environment. The meeting yielded the declaration by UN Habitat, "We have not inherited the earth from our fathers, we are borrowing it from our children." The Excavation makes it clear that exploitation of Earth's resources will impact the future generation, and that is exactly what is happening right now. The climatical change is taking place because of random exploitation of trees, plants, and water of the earth. Man must take an urgent action to restore whatever is destroyed in nature, be it trees and flora and fauna, water bodies as well. Excavation of the earth for ores, minerals, and for laying of infrastructure and services lines need to be reduced. The earth must be restored to its original state so that the next generation can inherit a sustainable living environment. However, the modern day space tech companies have an advanced plan to colonize Mars at near future. Elon Musk has long championed the campaign for bringing human beings into Mars, claiming that a colony will be established as early as 5 years from now, with the 10 years being a worst case scenario. NASA plans to simulate life in Mars colony, but NASA has obviously prioritized the possibility. The space agency will begin a year-long mission this fall to simulate life on Mars. A statement from NASA clearly indicates that they are interested in cultivating readiness for almost certain possibility that human will be on Mars in the near future. Here are 5 factors which would make Mars our second home. Number 1. Its soil contains water to extract. NASA's Mars rover Curiosity has found that a soil surface on the red planet contains about 2% water by weight. That means astronaut pioneers could extract roughly 2 pints of water out of every cubic foot. Water have been discovered in fine-grained soil on the surface of Mars, which could be a useful resource for future human missions to the red planet, according to the measurements that made by NASA's Curiosity rover. Number 2. The climate of Mars. The temperature on Mars is colder as well as hotter than on Earth. However, then the planet is also far away from Sun. The small barren planet also has an atmosphere that consists of 95% of carbon dioxide. This combination of factors makes Mars a harsh and cold world whose temperature can drop to as low as minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 128 degrees Celsius. As a point of comparison, the lowest recorded temperature on Earth is minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 88 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. Meanwhile, the highest temperature on Mars is 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 21 degrees Celsius, significantly below the highest temperature recorded on Earth, which Arizona State University places at 134 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 56 degrees Celsius in Inyo County, California, USA. Number 3. Sunlight. There is enough sunlight for using solar panels for obtaining power. The amount of sunlight that strikes the Earth's surface in an hour and a half is enough to handle the entire world's energy consumption for a total 1 year. Solar technologies convert sunlight into electrical energy either through photovoltaic panels, or through mirrors that concentrate solar radiation. This energy can be used for generating electricity and can also be stored in batteries or thermal storage. This power could be used from home appliances till commercial purposes. Number 4. Gravity. Since Mars has less mass on Earth, the surface gravity on Mars is lesser than the surface gravity on Earth. The surface gravity on Mars is only about 38% of the surface gravity on Earth. So, if you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh only 38 pounds on Mars. Hence, the gravitation is not a big problem. Number 5. Atmosphere. It has an atmosphere that offers protection from cosmetic and sun radiation, even though to a lesser extent than Earth. Number 6. The day and night cycle. The Earth has 24 hours, whereas Mars has 24 hours, 39 minutes and 35 seconds. Now, comments below. Are you ready to travel to Mars for building a new home? Number 2. If yes, do you expect the same lifestyle of the Earth in Mars? Number 3. Which of the factors doesn't allow the human life on Earth? Comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.